So 2016 F250 Super Duty windshield washer fluid was not pumping. Watched a few videos. People was talking about taking its fender well off. Well, that just seemed like too much work for me. So I just went straight in from the top here. Popped that sombrero out of there. Did my clip, pulled my hose, and yeah, clogged up with crap. So anywho, I'm gonna clean that off and put it back in and go from there. So hope this helps. So you ain't got to take that fender well off. So like I say, just take the clip off right there, pop that hose out right there, and that's all you need to do.